Now, before we get this video started, I just want to let you guys know that all the stocks, all the companies that I'm purchasing or selling in this video, I do not encourage anyone to do it simply because I am doing it. This is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. So please do your own due diligence and do your own homework. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here. And today I'm going to give you another update on my portfolio. So I did some shopping today. I actually spent around a little bit over $6,000 today on stocks. So I'm going to show you guys, I did one very risky purchase today, and it's actually not a marijuana stock. So I'm going to talk about all my trades. Also, I want to talk about my channel a bit. So I posted this video earlier, top 3 marijuana stocks for 2019. And I guess because I had the word marijuana or cannabis in it, I got demonetized, and then I posted it again. And the same, well, this time I changed it to MJ and it didn't get demonetized, but unfortunately no one got a notification for it. So I noticed I didn't get as many views. So if you guys didn't check that video out, I'm going to leave a link right here on the description so you guys could check that out. Also, I just posted up a video called Aurora Stock Down After Hours. Aurora is currently down 8% in after hours. We're going to see how they do tomorrow. It is looking like Aurora is going to have a red day tomorrow, but we'll see. If you guys didn't check out that video, I'll leave that also on the top right corner right here. So let's get started with my portfolio. So look at my portfolio. You guys are going to see something new, something that I've lost and I finally got back. Obviously, I don't have it at the price that I want, that I sold it at by accident before. I made a video where I made a huge mistake with Apria and I accidentally sold all my shares. As a matter of fact, I'll probably leave the link right up here in the description or right up here in the top corner. And I finally bought Apria shares today. So Apria, I bought it. My average cost is at 873, and I'm only up 0.8%. But it was like a last minute purchase. I saw that I thought it was a good price, but who knows? Tomorrow I have a feeling we might have a red day. It's tough to tell right now because Aurora went down 8%, and I'm not sure if Aurora is going to drag down the rest of the market. But we'll see right now. Right now, currently my Aurora position is up 33%. I only have 250 shares because I've been collecting profits. And what do you know? Before you know it, Aurora is dropping. So maybe I might be given an opportunity to buy back all the shares that I've sold. I'm hoping to get minimum at least 1,000 shares. That's my minimum. I hope. We'll see how low Aurora goes. I do plan on buying Aurora if it goes below 750. I don't care if I average up. I like Aurora below 750, and this is Canadian dollars. My Planet 13, I didn't sell any of my shares. I should have sold because at one point Planet 13 was at $2. I had an opportunity to collect some profits. I've collected profits already, but I could have collected more profits, which I didn't. But Planet 13 is just a company that I love. Also, Namaste, I bought Namaste yesterday. I have a video that I made yesterday where I told you guys I purchased 1,000 Namaste shares. They're currently up 10%, so I almost timed that very perfectly. Parcel Pal, I'm going to show you guys the orders that I made. I tried to purchase more Parcel Pal, but I guess my buy order was too low. So I'm currently down 3.15%, nothing big. Literally the $9.99 is just my commission fee that I'm down right now. So let's show you guys the trades that I made. So my first one was to sell Namaste. I was trying to sell Namaste at $1.45. So the reason why I was trying to sell Namaste at $1.45, and this is Canadian prices, just so you guys know. So let's look at Namaste right now. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. So if you look at today, Namaste almost hit 145. If it just went a little higher, I probably would have got that sell order, but it didn't. So my sell order did not go through. So that one expired. I also had an Apria purchase of 200 shares for 880. That one was filled, and then later I saw Apria dip down to 866. I made another purchase order for another 200 shares. So sorry about that. So I'm just constantly just trying to average down with Apria. I used to have them at a very good price because I was buying Apria when that whole allegation deal happened. And unfortunately, I made a mistake where I sold Apria. So as you can see right here, Apria hit 866 right here. This was when I made my second purchase, and I pretty much caught the bottom of the day. Who knows how Apria is going to do tomorrow? We might just see another red day. So I'll keep averaging down with Apria. Once again, I just want to let you guys know that Just because I'm doing these trades does not mean you guys should do it. Make sure you guys do your own due diligence. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing with my money, and I don't encourage anyone to do it simply because I am doing it. So another purchase I made today was actually I was trying to order some Parcel Pal, some PKG, as you can see right here. I was trying to order 5,000 Parcel Pal shares. I only have where's Parcel Pal. I only have 2,000. That's because my full order didn't go through. And I was trying to order Parcel Pal at 5,000 at 25 cents. And the only thing is, it went all the way down to 26 cents, but it did not hit 25. So 1 penny more and I would have got that. So literally the lowest it went was 26. It did not hit 25. So I missed that purchase order, but it's okay. And then you guys seen Afria. And then I also made two purchases on my American portfolio. One of them is a very risky stock. And you guys might be questioning, like, why the hell would you do this? I'll explain to you why. And it is a high risk. It's a stock that I'm probably going to put a 5% stop loss on it because I'm not willing to risk any more than that. But I'll show you guys right now. So as you can see right here, I bought 208 Snapchat shares at 572, and Snapchat is already down actually. And I'll explain to you guys why I bought Snapchat at $5.72. As you can see, Snapchat went down 564. And the reason why I did this is because this gap. When I see this gap, I like to gamble on these gaps sometimes. And as you can see right here, near the end of the day, Snapchat is overbought. So Snapchat might see a very nice green day. But when you see a gap like this in the charts, usually what happens is the company fills that gap up. Let's see if this happened with Snapchat before. So you kind of seen it here. It had a nice little gap, and what happened? Snapchat filled that gap. It made up for that gap. So that's pretty much what I'm hoping. Snapchat will try to make up for that gap. If it doesn't, I'm gonna put a 5% stop loss, and I'll just cut my losses with this company. This is simply like a swing trade. It's a gamble, and it's a risk that I'm willing to take. It's a small amount of money. I probably invested a little bit over 1,200 or around 1,200 American. You can do the math. 208 plus times 572. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow. It's a quick little swing trade. I don't plan on holding onto these shares for long. As soon as I see some profit, I will be selling my Snap shares. And I also purchased 200 shares of Kushco at $5.17. So let's take a look at Kushco real quick. And Kushco is right now at $5.20. So I purchased them. I wish I purchased them a little lower. I had an opportunity to purchase them at $5. I guess I wasn't paying attention and I didn't end up doing it. So I ended up purchasing them at $5.20. They ended at $5.17. They ended the day at $5.20. So yeah, Kushco, that was the second sale. So yeah, I did a lot of buying. Yesterday, if you watched my video where I updated you guys with my portfolio, I had a little bit under 38,000 cash. Today I have 30,000 cash in my portfolio. So actually I had 37,246 yesterday, and then today I have 30,928 cash. So yeah, tomorrow probably a red day for Aurora. I'm gonna see how low they go. I'm hoping, honestly, I hate to be the bear, and I love Aurora. I love Aurora. I just sold all my Aurora shares. I used to have at least 1,000. Actually, at one point I had 3,000 shares, but that was prior to legalization. And now I only have 250. So I'm not gonna lie, I miss my Aurora shares. So I do plan. I hope I can buy back my shares, but I don't want to average up too much. 750 is the golden number. Maybe even 760, I might do it, but I'm really hoping Aurora drops to 750 and I can buy back. I want at least 1,000 shares, minimum 1,000 shares. And as for the rest of these companies, Parcel Pal, 25 cents. I'm trying to buy some more shares. I want to get at least like I'll probably buy 5,000. It's so cheap. It's a penny stock. It's something I'm gambling with. It's a company that I think has a lot of potential. And that's about it. I showed you guys Snapchat. That's my gamble. That's like pretty much my gamble. I'm pretty much doing this based on how the charts are looking right now. So it might burn me, and the worst loss I'm only willing to lose 5%. So 5% of $1,000 is around $50. So it's a very small loss that I'll be willing to take, plus the commission fees. So I'll be losing $70 if this play doesn't go the way I want it to. Sometimes you got to know when to cut your losses. And if I see some gains, I'll just take my money and run. So that's it for you guys. So once again, if you guys missed out on my videos, I'll just look at the top right corner, click the button right here. You guys can check them out. And if you enjoyed these type of videos, don't forget to give me a like. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Oh yeah, and also I might be doing a live stream tomorrow. It all depends if I wake up on time, but usually I'll be doing live streams at 9 a.m. the pre-market live streams. So I'll definitely be trying to look at Aurora pre-market, see how they do. But so if you guys want to join me on the live stream tomorrow, we could talk about stocks. You guys can ask me, and I'll look at stocks. I'll rate stocks, and that's it. But the live stream is not to it's not a live stream where I'm going to tell you guys what to buy. It's pretty much I want to come together as a community and we could all just talk stocks together, talk about our hot picks that we're looking at, and maybe add a few new stocks to our watch list. So it's something that I want to try doing. I'm not a morning person, but I'm going to try to make an effort. So we'll see how that goes. But either way, that's it for now, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.